Welcome to Balay Ihungan Farm. Kami po ay nag-aalaga ng kabuti o mushroom. Pinapakita po namin kung paano inalagaan, niluluto at kumita. Kaya huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe ka Balay.
Sa kalahating tub, maglagay ng tubig, Tide powder, sunrox at yelo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented
Ibabad
being
mo na sa
negative when you
tubig
should
ang
be
puting
getting
bag
after it.
kahit
I
dalawang
got facts
minuto.
over tracks, this and that. Spitting
Tapos
slow,
patuloy
spitting fast.
ito
I can
at
roast, I can
ayos
gas. Think
ito
I'm
ng
okay
patayo
at last, but I
para
don't know if
dumalo
that
yung
can
tubig.
erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the
Huwag
emptiness.
mag-skip
Hilarious.
ka
You
ba
think
yan?
you're with my time,
May
you're delirious,
sikreto pa dyan.
mysterious because you are
Para
out
di
to make
masira
exterior
ang
inferior. You know
mushroom
I'll always
fruiting
be a
bag
bit superior. Get
dahil
off of
sa
me,
sabon.
this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains
Keep
that
on
last and to
watching.
believe in what you got. It was
Huwag
built to
kalimutang
last. Yeah.
mag-subscribe at click the notification bell para updated ka pag may bagong videos.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Dito gawin nyo kabalay para di masira ang fruiting bag after 3 to 4 hours. Iyan na lang ang fruiting. Pwede rin gumamit ng tapo para nawala ang sabon at magkakaibigan na ng malamig na tubig.
Few moments later.
Patay kang ipis ka! Patay kang uod ka!
Three days later.
Nag-uumpisa na sumibol. Sa makalawa, pwede na itong i-harvest.
Day 4.
Pasensya na kabalay, hindi namin nakuha na ng video. Biglaan kasi may tumawag. Si Suki bibili ng fresh kabuti. Kas pa sana i-harvest.